Hey, pleasure to have you back to the channel, to the event vlog. Today we set up 4 20 by 40 frame tents in order to make one larger 40 by 80 tent. Our strategy was to first lay out the 4 frames onto the ground so we know exactly kind of where the footprint of the tent was, and then one by one lift the tent tops and the tents up. In order for the job to go smoother and faster, I give the crew 3 tips. Tip number 1, no empty loads. I borrowed that from Tent Guy. Whether you're going to the truck or from the truck, make sure you're bringing something to the site. Tip number 2, if you start a task, make sure you finish a task. That way everybody's delegated to something specific. And tip number 3, avoid moving items twice. If you're moving a piece of furniture, like a table for example, make sure you put it in its final resting position. This tent had walls, lights, and heaters. This is the back side of the tent. There are 3 heaters, 3 100-pound propane tanks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to work hard. Maybe subscribe if you're interested. And take it easy.